Stop scrolling if you're afraid of failure, because what I'm about to tell you will change the way you see it forever. Success isn't about avoiding failure. It's about learning how to fail forward. Let me break that down. Every failure is a lesson, a stepping stone to your ultimate goal. Think about it. Every great invention, every groundbreaking achievement started on the back of countless failures. Thomas Edison? He failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Each failure was simply another step closer to success. Think about your own journey. Have you been avoiding risks because you fear the fall? Here's the truth. You'll never get to where you want without a few bruises along the way. Here's the golden rule. Treat every failure as feedback, not a full stop. Learn from it, tweak your approach, and try again. Because when you fail forward, you move forward. Imagine where you'd be now if you embraced every setback as a launch pad. What could you achieve if you worked with your failures rather than ran from them? Action tip for today. Reflect on your last big failure. What did it teach you? Write it down and figure out how to apply that lesson. Remember, failure isn't falling, it's refusing to get up. So fail forward and never look back.